Hi friends, welcome to my Tech Track Career Advice. Today we are going to talk about who can do AI courses. Who can do AI courses? That's a good question, right? So in fact, AI courses can be done by anyone. It depends upon what is the purpose one want to do these courses. There could be various objectives to do AI courses. For example, at top level executives in the company, what we call as C-level executives, CXO, like CEO, CTO, Chief Technology Officer, in fact, Chief Financial Officer, VP, and senior managers can do AI courses to know. So basically, they can do AI courses to get to know about the technologies to implement in their business. Today, more and more businesses adopting AI and machine learning as a technology. So if they know in deep, they can adopt those technologies within their business. And teachers, professors, they can adopt. Teachers and professors, faculties, they can learn AI technology to teach to their students. And working professionals, they can adopt to migrate career growth. So they can adopt to migrate into a new technology like AI and machine learning or for their career growth. And freshers, for job. So freshers who want to become an AI and machine learning developer, they can do artificial intelligence courses to to get a job, right? Artificial intelligence is one of the most trending technology in 21st century, and experts been talking about it for a long time. We also seen this COVID pandemic has created a lot of problem for the businesses, and most of the businesses trying to adopt automation technology like machine learning and AI. For example, you might have heard in the news that Ola, the Ola tax aggregator, is coming up with, in fact, starting a largest e-scooter manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu, and it's going to be the world's largest. And this factory is fully automated using artificial intelligence. The robots. So that's the kind of automations we are talking about in the coming days. And most of the factories will adopt artificial intelligence and machine learning. And of course, there will be a people, it's still done by the people. And most of the job will be taken over by robots. And this century and 21st century will see a lot of things related to AI and machine learning. For example, you may talk to your own automobiles, you may talk to your own two-wheelers, you may talk to your own car. For example, you may ask your car to park on its own. You may ask your car to start on its own, and you may ask your car to drop you where do you want, what do you want to get down, right? And this is the kind of technology we are talking about, and it has enormous potential. So this is where an opportunity for the people who want to do AI and machine learning courses. Friends, trust me, there has never been a better time than now to do AI and machine learning courses. Please go for it. And now let me get into the actual questions we are talking about. So who can do artificial intelligence courses, right? I told you anyone can do AI courses. So actually this question we are trying to address specifically on who can do AI courses for getting a job, right? So if I do AI courses, can I get a job? So if I could able to do AI courses, can I get a job? If to do AI courses, what is the qualification experience I should have? Right? So we are going to talk, we are going to see this question related to job, right? So working professionals, they can be from either IT background or it could be non-IT background. So who want to jumpstart into artificial intelligence, they can get into, whether they come from an IT background, they know programming, whether they know programming or they don't know, still they can make it as long as they are interested in learning programming. non-IT people, for some reasons, who want to get back to IT, if they are interested to learn programming, they can do AI and machine learning courses. And the people who are coming from technical graduates, like BE, you could be any stream in BE, and MCA, BCA, BSc computers, anything related to computer science. They can do AI and machine learning courses. In fact, AI can be done by people who are coming from non-technical, such as statistics, mathematics. They can do AI courses because artificial intelligence and machine learning uses statistics and mathematics concepts, right? And in fact, any graduate, even he could be a BSc chemistry guy, as long as you are interested to learn programming, as long as you are committed, still you can learn this particular technologies, right? So what you have to learn to become an AI and machine learning developer. For example, to do artificial intelligence, you need to know one programming. So today the most trending programming language for machine learning and AI is Python. So Python is one of the most easiest programming language. As long as you are interested to learn and committed, you can learn quickly. And then machine learning, it's more of a machine learning, ML. It's more of an algorithm based on Python. You have to learn machine learning as a Python machine learning is a prerequisite for AI. When you talk about AI, we talk about more of a deep learning. So these are the three technology which you have to learn if you want to become a machine learning and AI developer. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel MyTechTra to watch more technical videos. And in case if you have any questions, please contact us. We are here to help you. Thank you.